Welcome to the Manage Requirements journey. Let's continue with generating requirements and user stories for process steps. Once information elements are reviewed in Project Context tab and is marked as completed, in the dashboard you'll get an alert message saying Process Steps Approval Needed. Click on Go to Current and Target State. On clicking it will take you to the Manage Requirements tab. In the Manage Requirements tab you can see for the meeting we approved information elements in Project Context tab. Process steps are generated for each process. On opening the first process, we can see Current and Target tabs. We can go full screen and check out the current and target state process steps. In the Actions column, you can see the Play button. On clicking that Play button, a window will come up consisting of information related to that process step and requirements and user stories generated for the process step. You can edit the requirements and user stories by double-clicking on it and also click on the Delete icon to delete. You can click on Add Requirement button to add a new requirement manually. Similarly for user stories, you can click on the Add User Stories button to create manually. Make sure to add the acceptance criteria for the story. Once done, you can click on the next arrow. It will take you to the next process step, where you can click on the Generate button to generate requirements and user stories, and once generated, you can approve it. And on approval, you can see the progress bar on the top showing the progress as to how many steps are pending to be generated. And after a milestone, you'll receive a congratulations message to keep you motivated throughout this journey and finish generating all user stories and requirements. In the Current and Target State tab, you can group by process steps by meeting title, process, BU, department, persona, and application. You can also filter it by review status, all, pending review, approved, and rejected. Once the requirement and user stories are generated and you want to view them again for a process step, click on the View icon in the Actions column. To check the coverage of where these processes and process steps got extracted from, you can click on the eye icon, which will take you to the Coverage tab of that meeting. Once you have generated requirements for a few process steps and have approved those process steps, you can view the requirements in the Requirements tab. User Stories in the Epics tab in the main navbar. Thank you for being patient so far. In the next and the final video, we will be discussing about the Process Maps journey.